DJI Action 2 Review. Tiny beast or overhyped toy? 4K madness you wear like a necklace. Ever tried to film your adventures only to end up with a shaky mess that looks like it was shot during an earthquake? Yeah, same. Whether it's your beach trip, skate sesh, or just biking to the coffee shop, your current camera is either too bulky, too basic, or just plain stubborn. You fumble with mounts, miss the moment, and spend hours editing footage that still looks meh. And don't even get us started on overheating or water damage. You either sacrifice quality or spontaneity. You've got the passion, the vision, the vibe, but your gear keeps ghosting you. Now crank that pain up. Picture it. You're cliff jumping with friends, heart pumping, sun blazing, and your action cam dies midair. Boom, moment gone. Or you're snorkeling, filming sea turtles, until your cam says not a water and taps out. You're capturing life, but your tech is throwing tantrums. Missed shots. Botched angles. Batteries that bail faster than a bad date. You start questioning everything. Do I need a film crew to look cool? Should I just give up and go back to TikTok filters? Nope. You just need DJI Action 2 in your corner. Meet DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo, your new ride or die for insane 4K at 120 frames per second action, buttery-smooth footage, and hands-free FPV magic. This isn't just an action cam, it's a magnetic marvel of tech wizardry. Snap it on your chest, stick it to your helmet, slap on accessories like Lego for grown-ups. It's waterproof, 10 meters deep, ultra-wide, 155 degrees FOV, and smarter than your ex, complete with AI editing that makes your footage instantly post-worthy. Want stabilization? HorizonSteady keeps it tighter than your grip on the handlebars. No case, no problem. This thing is built like a tank with the brains of a drone. Imagine this. Wearing your camera like a necklace while hiking, capturing every gasp-worthy view, hands-free. Or filming your wild skate tricks in glorious 4K while your friends scream "send it" in the background. That's the DJI Action 2 lifestyle. Portable. Wearable. Effortless. Plug it into the power module and get up to 180 minutes of non-stop action, with hot swappable battery vibes. No excuses. No drama. Just raw, ridiculous, real-time content creation. And if you're still doubting it, scroll the reviews. Thousands of creators, travelers, adrenaline junkies, and weekend warriors are already hooked. So why are you still filming like it's 2012? Don't miss another epic shot. Don't settle for basic when you've got bold within reach. The DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo, 32GB, is moving fast, and once they're gone, they're gone. Whether you're underwater, airborne, or just vibing on a rooftop, this cam's got your back, your angle, your legend. Hit that button, grab yours, and turn your life into the movie it was meant to be. Your story's already awesome, now it's time to film it like one.